Hi everyone, welcome to our Card Making 101 series. I'm Patty Behan and thank you for joining me in the studio today. If you're new to card making, you might be wondering where to start. Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, we're going to look at the must-have supplies you need to begin creating beautiful cards without feeling overwhelmed. Let's keep it simple and fun, and let's get started. First things first, you'll need some basic tools. A paper trimmer is a must for precise cuts, and a good pair of scissors will help you cut out detailed images. Adhesives are essential. I recommend having a tape runner to glue things down quickly, foam tape or squares for dimension, and liquid glue for smaller pieces. And last, a non-stick craft sheet to protect the surface you are working on. Now let's talk about cardstock weight, a term you'll hear a lot when picking paper. Cardstock is measured in pounds or GSM. Basically, the higher the number, the thicker and sturdier the paper. So first we have lightweight cardstock, and that's around 176 GSMs or 65 pounds. And it's perfect for layering, die cutting, or paper piecing. It folds easily, but it might be too flimsy for a card base. Next, we have midweight cardstock. This is a great all-around option, and it's usually around 80 pounds or 216 GSMs. It's good for layering, stamping, and even some card bases. It's a craft room staple. Next, we have heavyweight cardstock. It's 100 to 110 pounds or 270 to 300 GSMs. It's ideal for card bases. It's sturdy, holds its shape, and you can handle layers and embellishments or watercoloring without warping. So, when you hear someone say you're using 110-pound cardstock, you'll know they're building a strong base. And if you see 80 pounds mentioned, then it's for stamping. It's smooth and perfect for crisp impressions. Just think of it like choosing the right tool for the job, only it's paper. Next, we have our basic stamping supplies. If you love stamping, then a black ink pad is a game changer. I highly recommend Archival ink for its crisp, long-lasting results. Then you pair it with a basic stamp set, something with sentiments and simple images. That will be perfect for getting started. And don't forget an acrylic block to stamp with ease. Next, we have coloring essentials. For adding color to your cards, choose your favorite medium. You could have markers, colored pencils, dye inks in a rainbow assortment of colors. You'll need a paintbrush, a number 6 works well, or a water brush. These are all beginner friendly and allow you to add beautiful, vibrant touches to your projects. Some optional supplies are sparkle and shimmer. If you want to add a little sparkle or shimmer to your creations, stickles or liquid pearls are perfect for adding dimension and shine to any project. And then last, you have your cleaning supplies. You'll need some water, a rag, some stamp cleaner, and a scrub it pad to clean your stamps. And that's it. With these essential supplies, you'll be ready to start card making without feeling overwhelmed. Remember, it's all about having fun and experimenting. Next up, we're decoding all that card making lingo so that you can talk the crafty talk with confidence. Don't forget to like this video and hit subscribe so you never miss a tip.